Good afternoon. Today we're gonna unbox the DJI NEO 2, freshly delivered by DHL UK. There you go. Well packed. The device is safe. There's the receipt. And there she is. The NEO 2. NEO 2. NEO 2 drone. Okay. It's properly sealed with the security sticker in there. I'm gonna tear up the security seal now. Okay, I'm gonna push it. Wait a minute. It's a DJI NEO 2 Fly More Combo Bundle Fly More. Okay, with the remote control and 3 batteries. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Oh, it's difficult to open. Oh, where is it? There you go. When you open it, scan the QR using your phone before first use. Install DJI Fly app. Okay, here's the content of the box. We'll use this first. What's the content of the box on top? Oh, it's the remote. It's the remote. It's some of the propellers. What else? Oh, the 3 battery charging hub. And a USB-C to lightning adapter cable for the remote. I will gonna open the remote. There you go. Then open the battery, the extra battery. And we got some screwdriver in here. Little screwdriver and some paperwork in here. Some stickers. Spare propeller and the USB cable. And remaining content. Oh, it's the drone. It's so tiny. Look at my palm. It's tiny. Look. And the transmitter, digital transmitter is already attached. So they said we need to check the tightness of the screw. Yeah, that's. There you go. Gonna turn it on. That's the content. So I'll try to turn it on. It's on now. It says DJI on the screen, unactivated, it says.
DJI Fly app 激活飞机 Connect to DJI Fly to activate aircraft.
Oh, I need the app. Okay, that's it for now.